Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukumi. In this video, we're going to take a look at a website that can help you make and earn up to $400 per week, guys, per week. Just texting, okay? Just texting. So if this is something that interests you, make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'll be showing you and walking you step by step how to get started with this website. Let's get right into it. So the website is called Texting Factories, guys. So this is the website. It says become a chat operator today, and if you read through this, you can see your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of $300 weekly. And the great thing about this is that this is available worldwide, because I know a lot of my viewers are looking for opportunities that they can do, either remote work or online businesses that they can do and be able to do it from any part of the world. So I thought this might be a good fit for anyone looking for something like this. So if you're looking for something flexible, something you are able to do on your time, then you may want to check this out. Okay, so this is the job description. I'm going to take a while to just quickly read this so that you understand what it's about. So as a text chat operator, you will be answering casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kinds of topic. You will be assigned different roles depending on what your customer wants. Now guys, take this into consideration. Okay, it's casual messages on a fantasy based text network. So if that's something you're comfortable with, then you may want to go ahead with this. Okay, some of our clients just want to talk to someone about everyday life. Okay, small talks about things like work, culture, weather, relationships. Your identity will not be known by customers because you will be assumed to be the person the customer is texting. So I think that is fair enough. Depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns around 300 to 400 USD a week. Okay, this can also be a lot more if you're willing to go the extra mile. We supply bonuses when you write a lot of messages and extra extension on weekend and red days. So I just wanted to read that out to you so you know what the job description is and what you're expected to do. Okay, anonymous chat only, no video calls, work anytime, anywhere, as much as you want, no qualification necessary, and support is 24/7. If this description fits something that you're okay with, then you may want to take advantage of this. Okay, let's see the requirements. What you need to know before applying: you need to be fluent in English. You must be at least 18 years of age. You need a PC or laptop. You need a reliable internet connection. You do not need any prior experience, and you will work as a freelancer. So as a chat agent, you are self-employed. We will assist you in setting up how to receive payment for your work, all of that. So you're self-employed, you work on your time, it's flexible, and if this is something you're looking for, just grab it now. Okay, you need an updated personal ID, so there will be like a background check just to be sure that you're actually 18 and above, or you're 18 plus. Okay, to prevent fraud and confirm your identity and all of that. You know, that's to protect their clients. You can see testimonials here. Now, how to apply: you have to come to this page and enter your name, email address, and your motivation for applying for this job. Just put together between 150 to 500 characters explaining why you want to work with Texting Factory, and agree to the terms and conditions, confirm you're 18 years and above, and then apply. Okay, so it's that simple. So if you're looking for something that is flexible and you want to be able to work from home, and that job description fits something that you might be willing to take on, then you might want to consider this and apply as soon as you can. Okay, so the advantages is you will be your own boss. You work from anywhere. So as long as you have stable internet connection, you can work from wherever you want, from your couch, your favorite cafe, or on the go It doesn't matter whether you live in the US or abroad, so you can work from anywhere. This is worldwide, and your pay is weekly, and you can do this part-time or full-time. So I found this website, guys, and I just thought to share it with you because I know that there are a lot of people who are my subscribers and who are people that I talk to on this channel, and they just want something to, you know, to get going, something to do from home. Probably you're not ready to build a business, or you don't even have the funds to build a business. You just want a remote job or something you can do in your flexible time. You might want to consider this and take up this opportunity. So I wanted to share that with you quickly, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you content like this that can help you generate income from home and, you know, have that life that you desire. Okay, thank you again for staying with me to the end of another video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.